friends, so welcome back to my video, and today I'm going to show you my winter hot cocoa bar. As you can see, I used all the hot cocoa bar stuff from Target. Alright, so this is how it turned out. I think it came out really cute. I just love it. I will go more into detail and tell you where I got everything from. Baby, it's cold outside. I got it from Hobby Lobby. These two mini marshmallows in chocolate chips I got from Hobby Lobby. I got this black tree, mug tree from Hearth and Hand from Target. You see the cute little houses from Target Dollar Spot? They're back there. I think they look really cute. These two hot cocoa signs are from Target Dollar Spot. All right, and there's the cute little spoons with the hearts. I just love them, Target Dollar Spot. So this container, glass container, is from Target Dollar Spot a long time ago. I put the hot cocoa in there. I think it looked really cute. So I love how everything turned out. And over here, I hung the towels. I just love it. I think everything just turned out so perfect and well put together. I just love it. And then the other side, I put this one. I love that this bar cart has two handles. Okay, and down here, I just have some donuts, some little cakes, and these are all store-bought. But I put them together and they look more expensive and, you know, a little fancier. All right, so I just put my mugs there, extra mugs, little dessert plates. I put the hot cocoa bar sign there, and then I put the cookie jar from Hearth and Hand down there, which I love that cookie jar. I put some cookies in there for my kids and for my guests, you know, if we're gonna have hot cocoa one night. And then I just put some birchwood logs right there, I guess, and it makes it look very winterish. Okay, so that's my winter bar cart. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and if you did, give this video a thumbs up, share my video, tell a friend, and let me know what was your favorite part of my bar cart. I will see you in my next video, and I hope you always remember to keep designing life. Bye!